everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you guys 3 quick and healthy smoothie recipes. They are currently the best way that I know of to give me a quick little boost of energy during the day. And they don't have any refined sugars. They're all naturally sweetened using either just plain frozen fruit or honey. Now, I haven't gone about 2 weeks without one of these in the morning, and I can't say that I regret it. I'm absolutely in love with these recipes and I can't wait to share them with you. All right, let's get started. The first smoothie on my list is what I like to call my strawberry and cream smoothie. So to make this, all you're gonna need are some frozen strawberries. So I don't like to thaw these, I take them straight out of the freezer because I feel like it gives a much nicer and more slushy-like consistency because I don't like when my smoothies are too watery. Also, I have some almond milk. This is homemade. I have some honey here that I'm gonna use just to give a little bit of a drizzle of sweetness if I'm feeling the strawberries aren't that sweet. I have just a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and this vanilla extract is what really gives this smoothie a little kick, so it's not just a plain strawberry smoothie. And here I have some nice vanilla yogurt. So the brand that I get is called Siggi's, and what I love about it is it uses agave nectar to sweeten the yogurt. No refined sugars. All right, let's put it all together. So I'm gonna start off by just putting my strawberries in, my milk, which I use a 1/3 cup of almond milk, vanilla extract, just a little drizzle of honey. Now I prefer that it's not too sweet because this is one of the first things that I have in the morning, so I don't want to have a complete sugar high. But you can always add more. You can use maple syrup as well or some dates, but that would compromise the texture a little bit. And then I put my yogurt. All right, so just lock it in and get mixing. This is our smoothie number 1, our strawberries and cream, done. All right, up next is our mango cream smoothie. So here I have the same base that I used before. So this is about a 1/3 cup of almond milk and 2 tablespoons of my Siggi's vanilla yogurt. So here I'm just gonna add some frozen mangoes, again, straight out of the freezer because we want it to have more of an icy texture. Now, since my frozen mangoes are plenty sweet, I don't add any honey to this recipe, but this depends on what brand of frozen mangoes that you get. So, time to mix it all up. All right, and here's our second completed smoothie, mango cream. This is probably my favorite just because of the amazing fluffy texture of it, and the natural sweetness of the mango is unbeatable. This last smoothie recipe that I'm going to show you today is what I like to call my tropical delight because it just makes you feel like you're on the beach in some nice resort. So, as I said before, I have my classic base of vanilla yogurt and almond milk, and to this I'm just going to add a few frozen pineapples. So I have my frozen pineapples and some frozen mango as well as some frozen peaches. Now, I absolutely love peaches. That's why this smoothie is also one of my top, which is why I am showing it to you guys. I want to know if you guys enjoy it as much as I do. Now just put it all together. All right, and that is our 3rd recipe done. Once again, this is our tropical delight, and this does have pineapple though, so it can be a little tart. If you know that you don't like that, you can always add a little bit more honey or whatever kind of sweetener you want to kind of bring that pineapple down a notch. But honestly, I think it's perfect just the way it is. Here are 3 finished delicious smoothie recipes. Now they have no refined sugars, are completely naturally sweetened, and are so delicious that you might want to get yourself a second glass. And you wouldn't even have to feel guilty if you do. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you can be the first to hear about when I post another one of these amazing, healthy dessert recipes. Bye-bye, guys.